Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to change your email address on the Expedia app. So first of all, you need to open up the Expedia app on your mobile device. And then, from the home screen, tap on this account icon in the bottom right corner. Step 2, scroll down and tap on the My Account Info option right over here. Step 3, again scroll down until you find the My Account Info section. Step 4, tap on this email and password button right over here. Step 5, follow the on-screen instructions and enter in your new email address in the specified field. And then re-enter the same new email address right over here. Step 6, tap on this Save button right over here to save your changes, and you're done. Well, that's how you change your email address on the Expedia app. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.